Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Asko brand washing machine and it's giving you an E6 error and you're wondering what is this error and what can I do to get rid of it. And so first of all, the E6 error is basically the washing machine sensing that it's not heating the water properly. So, and like all errors of this kind, it can kind of be one of two things. There could actually be a problem with it heating the water properly, or there could be a problem with it sensing the heating of the water, or it could be the control board that interprets that information. So it could be one of those two things. You're really going to probably have to have this checked by a professional, but before you do that, there's two things that you should try when you get an error like this. Number one is just to do a hard restart on the washing machine. So just disconnect it from power completely for a full minute, reconnect power, try to run a cycle. And then if that doesn't work, you're probably going to have to call for a technician. However, while you're waiting for the technician to come, you should be able to run your washing machine on cold cycles, because if it doesn't need to heat the water, then you should not be getting this error. So anyways, I hope this video helped you figure out what's going on and maybe gave you something you can do while you're waiting for it to get fixed. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.